Hello and welcome to this update to Sprite Editor, and also known as SprEd64. It deals with 64 sprites at a time, and you have this compositor area where you can place these ones down. Now it used to be you would just choose them and left click, but now you have to hold down Shift to say that you want to place that particular sprite down. The reason for that is I found it easier to now just click on these and it will choose the sprite. And that makes it much easier to draw in. So you do something like that, click here, and like so. You can also turn off the extra information there, just this little one. That way we don't see the extra bits of UI. And you can see a little floating cursor, which is helpful. And now it's easier to make big sprites, so we'll go ahead and choose like green or something. Okay, let's just make sure this works with the overlay. So I'll do an overlay and I'm going to choose this one, place that down. I have to do that with Shift. I'm going to turn that to the high res and my unique color is going to be black. So yeah, I'm over here. Now let's just see that if I try to now choose these, there's nothing in here but this one. So if I'm on the lower layer and I click, you can see it's selecting the right one. So that's all working quite nice now. Let's just make another sprite here. So on layer, choose that we want to be here, we want to be on layer 1, and we're going to shift click. So the shift click is what places things. It's a lot less less haphazard, I suppose. It's a bit more easy to not make a mistake, if that makes any sense. It's going to be easier to avoid doing the wrong thing. So I'm going to place that there because I've seen it wasn't showing up the floor. So I just need to make sure I shift click. It shows that little floating icon where the pixel should be. So shift click. I'll bring up the info again just so we can see exactly what's in there. Turn that to multicolor and switch to black. And yeah, I'm just going to turn that info off. I think it's a tab key. Yeah, tab will show and hide that. Cool. So then you can basically just click here, work on it, click here, work on it. You know, it's just much easier now to make changes to the sprites. My sprite looks hideous, as you can see, but this is how they often start, quite messy, and then you can clean them up. My little green face from Ball Crazy, and maybe I can make a new color for the underlying one. So I could go to something like this and just make sure I'm on the, see how it's just chose that one, make sure I'm on the right layer. So I need to go down. It doesn't know exactly what I want to do, so I have to choose the right layer, and then I can put in some little highlights and thing here. And then I could go here and start cleaning up any excess pixels. This one, and just work on it directly this way. Don't use the compositor anymore. So I think it's just nicer if you're working on a specifically big image and you really want to get kind of nicer workflow. Let's add a little goat beard to this. I like my little goat beard guy, green goat beard. Let's change his face colour to let's do pink instead of green on the unique one. Let's make that yep, and then I'm going to change the background colour. If I remember right, you have to right click, yep, on one of these. I'll do it. Yeah, so it's a little bit easier to use now, I find. So just the only difference now, it's shift click to place, and just clicking is going to give you the information, the sprite based on the information in those cells. I just find that much nicer. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy making your little characters. Remember to do animation. It's these here to go to the previous index frame. Any bugs, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.